How to unlock your Capital One debit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys how you can unlock your Capital One debit card. So follow the steps provided. So first of all, you have to open your favorite web browser and proceed to entering the Capital One login into the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Various links to the website will be displayed as a result. Select the initial link labeled as Capital One sign in that appears. After you do that, you will be headed towards the login portal where you have to enter the correct form of your username in the first field and followed by your password. And if you'd like this device system or the Google Chrome browser to remember your credentials, you can simply check the box of Remember Me over here. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply click on this link here, and this will take you to another page where you have to enter your last name, your social security number, and your date of birth, and click on Find Me to retry or reset your password. And if you'd like to set up an online access, you can simply go to this link over here and follow the on-screen instructions. After you have successfully logged into Capital One Bank, to unlock your debit card, you must first log into your account using your username and password. And after you do that, you will be directed to the bank's homepage. Navigate to the option of 360 Tracking View Account and select it. This action will lead you to the new page with the several choices. Click on Account Services and Settings where you will encounter various sections. Locate the section of title as Manage Debit Card, and within this section you will find the Unlock Your Card option and click on it to proceed. A pop-up will appear prompting you to confirm the action by selecting Yes, Unlock My Card, and upon confirmation your debit card will be successfully unlocked. By following the simple steps, you can conveniently unlock your Capital One debit card. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for watching.